Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, be sure to do so for more great content. In this video, I will go over what I've been up to during these days of raging pandemic and stay-at-home orders coming from every direction. Of course, I would much rather work on my CNC machine, but instead, as you can see, there are studs and joists exposed, everything in a state of total disorder and despair. My bathroom just broke. I mean, can you believe this? Here used to be a small closet. Now that it's just gone, the bathroom will become much larger, 11 foot long versus the 8 foot for previous version. New bathroom will be getting a double sink 60-inch vanity, for which I will have to run some additional plumbing and drainage. I think I will just put a T here and run additional pipe to the second sink. Water lines will have to be modified as well. Here used to be a toilet. There was a 4-foot shower cabin with drain in the center. It will have to get moved over closer into that corner for a regular 5-foot tub. The plumbing for tub faucet will be rearranged for better fit and functionality. Did I mention that it will be a jetted tub? Here's a receptacle for it. Here used to be a built-in space heater because there are no HVAC registers. New bathroom will have heated floors, so no big deal. The electrical wiring is completed at this point. Here is the triple bank switch box that controls lights and the vent. There's a main ceiling light as well as the night light. Each sink will have its own light fixture on a separate switch as well. Ceiling drywall is already installed. Don't ask me how I did it by myself. Nah, just kidding. Ask questions if you have any. Working around the baby's schedule, it took over 2 weeks and over 50 large trash bags to remove everything down to the bones of the structure. And here, it becomes clear that it will take even more involving labor than was originally anticipated. Look at what's happening to these boards. Yes, the joists don't even form a plane. I was mentally prepared for some degree of crookedness, but this is off the charts. Setting up a laser level and taking sample measurements revealed a pretty sad picture. I took the highest corner as my 0 point and measured 6 inch on the tape. Then measured height to each end of each joist and subtracted 6 inch from it. I've written the result and it is a bit scary. The difference between highest and lowest point is 1 inch and a quarter. It's even bigger than the other bathroom I remodeled in this house. There is only about a 3/4 of an inch difference in this bathroom. It wouldn't be such a problem if the drop was uniform, but what we see here is that last two joists drop down drastically by 5/8 of an inch. This will be surely seen in the way the tile lays down, so it needs to be addressed. I have an idea on how to make it right. Let me know in the comments what would you do in a situation like this. I want to thank you for watching. Stay tuned for continuation of this and other projects. Have a good day.